Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we'll show you guys how to remove and replace the grille on Mercedes W211. Okay, this is the E-Class from 2003 to 2009 generation. Specifically, we have a 2003 E320. So if you want to remove your grille, replace it with an aftermarket one, we'll show you guys how to do that. Of course, you need to open the hood, and then you need a 8mm socket, okay? And we'll have bolts to remove, okay? You can see. Okay, where all the bolts are. I believe we have 6 of them. And you need to hold it with your hand. Okay, next you need to be careful about the locking. Pull out of there, okay. And the grille is out of the car guys. Less than a minute video, right? So hopefully the video is helpful guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.